Hello YouTubers, sorry about the mess, but I'm gonna go ahead and try and explain and demonstrate my experiment. This is a 100 watt on a 9 gear motor with a 24 volt battery, which came off a Razor, which is back there. It's a Razor scooter. What else I have here? I have here a Compufire. It's been damaged from a motorcycle, so instead of throwing it away, I want to try and see what I can get out of this. But is a stator and the rotor. As long as the wires don't touch, oops, back it out, don't touch, it doesn't short out anything. And then here is the rectifier. So this is a Compufire 40 amp 12 volt rectifier and stator. So it's wired to an LED 2 volt. I doubt this system's going to work, but I think I'm more likely going to need to move the stator and rotor probably back here, and then have a pulley, another pulley with a flywheel that would help turn this faster. The reason why is because I think this motor is sort of weak, and I don't think it'll spin this because I can already feel the friction. So this is just a temporary setup. Let's see what we can get out of it. I also have here is my test meter, which could monitor this system. I ran the system yesterday. The farthest I got was about 30 minutes of non-stop. I think part of it too is the wires might need to be screwed down to get a better connection in order for the battery to be charged properly. Otherwise the motor will start draining the battery quickly. Yesterday's test, the highest was 12 amps output. I can't seem to get it up to 12 anymore. It's come down to 6 amps, so I'm going to go ahead and stay with 6 amps. I'm interested in what this next test is going to be, because the last one was 6 amps, but that was outside. By moving it back in, we'll find out what the change is from there. So this concept is to try and recirculate the energy created by the stator and rotor, produce the power, come around, rectify it, and feed it back in to the 2 12 volt batteries. The light, I have an LED here just to show that it's in circuit and it's moving through. So bear with me. I don't always do videos like this, but let's go ahead and try and wire this. Kind of difficult. So it's dropping. Holding. climb back up, it dropped down, climb back up. If I do put an additional light, let's say a 35 watt bulb, if I do try this, it will drain the battery. Oh wow, look, it's gone up. So this looks like it might actually work. But damn it. So I didn't bolt it down properly, so it moved. Unfortunately, this is the first time I've seen it climb and recharge the battery. So this is a good news. The bad thing about it is I'm scared if I actually put it back on, it's not going to work properly again. So let's go ahead and try it again and see. But let me go ahead and try and modify it again and see where I can get better output. It is a little bit warm, so I know yesterday when it got this warm, the battery started draining within a minute or two after. So I'm interested in trying this test again. Let's find out.